Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I do unboxings of all kinds. I also like to vlog vacations and I like to vlog and review food all over the world. Today I have for you something I've been waiting for a little while. So I'm kind of excited for it. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So just a little backstory, I was put on the wait list for this and there was some email debacles, this versus that. If you would like to hear my rant on it, go watch my Ipsy versus Ipsy unboxing or unbagging. But with that being said, I am going to get into this. Per usual, I don't remember how much this box cost. I will put it on the screen. I think though it is $21. Like same as BoxyCharm, I'm pretty sure. Maybe it's 25. I'll double check on that though, just to be sure. And I'll put it on the screen, and if I have a sign up link, I will put it down below. I am really excited for this because I have been waiting. I've had an on and off relationship with Ipsy, so I mean, this, I'm gonna like, I mean, I've got to. God, I hope I've got to. Okay, so getting into it, this is what I see. And then it comes with a pamphlet or a little booklet that tells you about the products. I am not going to look at this right away, but I will refer to it because I'm almost positive the individual prices are in here. So the first thing I am seeing is this. It is a Paris Hilton Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. Ooh, words, Monica, words. We can do words. And I pull it out, and this is what it looks like. And on the back here, it shows you that it is recyclable and it's cruelty-free, and then it tells you how much it has. Let's see. Oh, and it has a safety seal. So I would originally open this to see what it smells like, and I can't smell it through the safety seal, but I'm not going to open this just because I have a lot of cleansing balms, face cleansers that I actually need to get through. But let's see, that is a retail value of $29. So the next thing I am pulling out here is Lovecraft Beauty, and it is a blush palette. And I open it up here, and those are the colors. Those are really pretty. I'm kind of indecisive about this. I'll think about it. I might pass it along, but I will probably think about it. I have multiple colors like this and like this in my blush collection already, so I don't know. I think I might just want to pass it along to someone that will get a lot of use out of it. And on the back, obviously, it lists the names of the colors. And that retails for $39. So the next thing I am pulling out here is Highbrow Pencil by Benefit. And I have never used one of these, so I think that's exciting to get things that I've never seen or haven't used in a box subscription, because it's kind of rare. So this is what the packaging looks like, and that's a really pretty pink color. I will swatch this because I do plan on keeping this. Ooh, that's really creamy and smooth. Can you even see that? I don't know. That's probably a really bad place to swatch it. Here, let me try again. Can you even see that? That is so creamy and smooth. I really like that. And it's a really pretty color too. It matches my skin tone really well. So I'm actually really excited about that. The only other brow pencil that I have is from Anastasia, because generally I don't use brow pencils, so I'll use that one until it's gone. And a brow pencil is just not something that I use all the time, but that's cool. I am excited for that. The next thing I am seeing in here, oh, I'm sorry, and the brow pencil is $22. So the next thing we have here is an It Cosmetics makeup brush. It looks like, oh, there it goes. You can see it's kind of a flat, but also a slanted top. I am not going to open that because I am undecided if I want to pass this along or not. I don't have a brush like this, but I don't really use foundation brushes. I prefer a sponge. So I don't know, it's really pretty though. That's horrible of me to say. So that retails for $48. And then the last thing in here is a Laura Sanchez Moods palette. And it looks like that. That is some really nice artwork. And then it shows you on the back kind of the colors. It doesn't really have the names. I wonder if it has names in here. And so you open it up and that's what the palette looks like. And it's kind of a thick, bulky palette, but I don't know, I kind of like the design of it. I don't think it would be very travel worthy. I don't, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't feel like it's compact enough to travel with, but that's what that looks like. And I will swatch some of these for you because I will definitely keep this palette. So let me pull the plastic off here. And they don't have names on them, but on the back of here they have pictures. And then this says Mamacita and that says Diosa. So, but these don't actually have names. The colors don't have names, but I will go ahead and swatch a couple of these. Let's swatch this purple right here. Ooh, that is so soft. That's nice. Let's look at this blue one. Wow, that's really, really soft. And that is so pretty. Let's try this yellow matte. That's really soft too. It does look a little chalky though, but let's see. That's really soft. I like those. Those are pretty. So that is my, oh, I'm sorry. And that is $35. So that is my Ipsy Glam Plus, and I'm really excited for this box, you guys. I am, I don't know, I've been waiting for it for a while, so I'm really glad that, wipe my fingers off. I'm really glad that I finally got this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.